In a rain-soaked town, a street violinist discovered that each drop hit his bow with a different pitch. He learned to read the rain as a weather diary, translating clouds into concerts that echoed through narrow alleys. City planners began scheduling outdoor events around forecasts, turning wet days into improvised symphonies that lifted weary spirits. Over months, the soundscape shaped new habits, from children chasing puddles to vendors aligning their stalls with rhythmic raindrops. When the sun finally returned, the town kept the ritual, preserving a living score that memory could never erase.